Hello viewers and welcome to part 3 of our phase 2 renovation project. It's been a long time since the last vlog and for the update, ito na siya ngayon. Konting taste na lang. So today, umalis na yung mga workers namin around 2:15 PM. Maaga silang umuwi dahil ng typhoon. Anyway, so check natin yung loob ng site. So for now, I think we're about 70% of the phase 2 of the project. Katatapos lang ng finishing works namin. And as you can see, nakapagsimula na kami maglagay ng skim coat dito sa first floor. Kukunti na lang yung hindi namin nalalagyan. We're just waiting for the roof to be installed para pati yung second floor masimulan na rin namin lagyan ng skim coat. Anyway, let's visit all the rooms. So ito yung master's bedroom. So this is ready to be painted. And baka may magtanong sa inyo kung bakit wala sa alignment ng beam yung wall. It is suggested by the client. Ang gusto ni client, hindi naka-align yung wall sa beam kasi naliliitan siya sa kwarto. So sabi niya, i-adjust namin palabas. Kaya ganun nangyayari. Pero hindi siya yung nasa plano. And these are the PPEs. Hard hat, safety vest, safety belts, first aid, face mask. So ito naman comfort room. So ito ay mamasilyahan na rin. And then itatiles, then pwede na rin magkisame. Let's go and check the living room. So ikot lang tayo paglabas natin dito sa master's bedroom, sa ground floor. So ito yung living room. Ganito ang kalaki yung living room niya. Then the stairs, and let's check the other part of the house. So this is the comfort room outside the master's bedroom. Nasa ilalim siya ng hagdan. And this is the dining room, the kitchen, and another kitchen. And this is the hallway. So ito papunta dito sa laundry area. So maliit lang yung laundry area niya. And regarding sa pintuan niya, kung bakit ganitong kalaki yung size. Not sure kung glass door or sliding. So malalaman namin kung ano yung finalized decision ni client. For the entrance, so nagpapagawa na sa client ng door jamb pati dito sa master's bedroom. And let's go and check the second floor. So yung hagdan niya, may makikita ko yung mga utility box. So ito nga sa hagdan niya, mga preparations yan para sa ilaw. For safety purposes, pinalagyan ko muna ng temporary railing dito sa hallway kasi magpapabalik-balik yung mga tao para maiwasan na rin yung aksidente. Let us first check bedroom number 1. So this is the bedroom number 1. I'm not sure kung number 1 siya sa plano, pero since ito yung una nating chinek, ito yung bedroom number 1. And regarding this, itong malaking butas na to, akala ng iba aquarium pero hindi. So open space lang to para magkaroon ng liwanag yung kwarto and at the same time ventilation o pasingawan. So it's up to the client kung paano niya gagamitin ng room na to. So you can see wala siyang bubong. So dito yung pinto and dito naman yung bintana. So fixed glass yan, fixed glass din, and also fixed glass. And yung entrance lang ay dito sa kwartong ito. Naglagay na rin kami ng trusses, so ready for roofing na. Yero na lang yung hinihintay. And let's check bedroom number 2. By the way, yung bahay na to, hindi totally nasunod yung plano. I think it's only 20% yung nasunod and 80% adjustments made by the client. And yung adjustments na yon is almost all architectural, structural, electrical, and plumbing. So for me, ito yung pinakamagandang kwarto kasi ito yung pinakamaaluwalas. I think mas gaganda pa to kapag nailagay na yung tiles, bintana, pinto, saka napinturahan na. Check naman natin yung ibang rooms dito sa second floor. Let's go. Let's go and check bedroom number 3. And this is it. Ito yung pinakamalaking bedroom. Kasi rectangular siya. So again, kompleto na yung trusses, ready for roofing. Itong yarong nakikita nyo ito, temporary lang yan para pag nag-finish dito, hindi mabasa yung workers namin. So itong electrical na to, this is an additional by the client. So hindi kami pwede magbakbak sa slab pag nabuhuso na, kaya nilagay namin dito, pinaton na lang namin. So tatakpan lang namin pag nag-tiles na. And ito naman yung storage area. And this is the restroom. And ito naman yung gym equipment storage. So yung window niya, glass and aluminum din. And this is the master's bedroom here in the second floor. So ito yung CR. Not sure kung lalagyan pa na enclosure. It depends on the client. So pagkapasok mo ng master's bedroom, ganito yung view. So nakalagay dito glass and aluminum, and dito naman glass door. And ganito naman yung view dito sa itaas. Paglabas mo ng pintuan, ito yung balcony. Hanggang dito na yung balcony niya. Which is sa plano, kalahati lang. So ito naman, lalagyan pa namin ito ng asinta para masukatan na yung door jamb. And then also, glass and aluminum din yung bintana. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Facebook. And you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Darin for TV. Ingat po tayo, keep safe, and God bless.